The Matatila Dam is a dam in district Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh, India that was built in 1958 on the Betwa River, situated 93 kilometers away from Deogarh. This earthen dam is 35 meters high. The catchment area is around 20 square kilometers with a maximum storage capacity of 1,132 million cubic meters. Nestled between a large numbers of small hills, this place is popular among tourists. Water sports facilities are also available. Installed capacity 3 by 10.2 equals 30.6 megawatts electricity production. The best period to visit this place is from September to May.it. Connected Jhansi to Babina route. Access. Nearest railway stations are at Matatila, Talbahat, 10 km, and Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh, 40 km. Installed capacity 3 by 10.2 equals 30.6 megawatts. http://www.indian9.com/i9show/rohan-dam-44802.htm http://www.indian9.com/i9show/matatila-dam-49875.htm Image from Wikimap. http://lalitpur.nic.in/dams1.htm